Hey, bays, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited because we are going to be doing a Halara try on haul. Halara did reach out to me and ask if I wanted to try a few of their pieces, and I said absolutely. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I picked up a mix of tops, skirts, and work pants. The work pants are definitely the star of the show today, but I picked up a few other pieces as well that I'll share with you. And all of the items that I picked up are going to be super versatile for work or for casual wear. Without further ado, let's hop right into it. I want to try on this pair first. These are the high-waisted tie-side invisible zipper wide leg work pants. And I got them in the color lead gray and in a size small. Now, although the name says lead gray, they really don't look like a gray to me. They're giving me much more of a taupey brownish color. They feel perfect, perfect, perfect. I'm actually super excited, you guys, because these are fitting really nicely so far. I liking where we're going with this. I'm liking where we're going with this. Oh my goodness, you guys. Are you kidding me? Y'all, these are so cute. So this is the first pair of pants and of these, you guys. I've got two mirrors over here. So if I'm looking to the side, then that's what I've got going on. But these are too good. From the color to the fit, perfect. Oh no, baby girl's waking up. So we'll see how this goes. I might have to finish filming tomorrow. Absolutely love the wrap detail. And I cannot get over how cute this is, you guys. This is going to be really, really good, not only for a very kind of jazzy work outfit, okay? But even with like casual outfits, I am envisioning so much greatness with these pants right now that I'm actually talking too much about them because I'm so excited. Love it. Hey. Okay. You guys, when I tell you I'm gonna get every color in these pants, I can't even believe flower. Okay. I love. Okay, you guys. So these are phenomenal. They're phenomenal. You guys, when you look on the website, they look like, oh, okay, nice basic pair of pants. Like when you actually put them on and you feel how good they feel and how good they think and look. Are you kidding? I'm actually obsessed. This is actually going to be an obsession. Yes, because I need every color. I need every color. Are you kidding? Yes. Yay. These are phenomenal. They're wide leg, which I told you already. Comfortable, loose fitting wide leg pants are my jam right now. But when I tell you this waffle material feels so freaking good, and they look like a very nice polished pair of trousers, ain't no way I'm getting this level of comfort with this exact style. That is my style uniform right now, babe. Give me all of them. That is all. Okay, guys, so last night it started to get real rowdy in the house when my toddler woke up, dogs started barking and everything. So unfortunately, I am going to have to do kind of a voiceover situation. The rest of the clips, I tried everything else on, but we're going to have to just kind of chat through. So I'm looking at some of the clips from last night when I was trying this on so I can let you know my thoughts. Okay, so let's just get started. So the next piece that you'll be seeing on the screen is the Halara Flex high-waisted body sculpt waist slimming pocket wide leg micro waffle work pants, a mouthful, yes, okay. And these ones I picked up in the color Mood Indigo and in the size small. I'm almost certain I got every piece in a size small, but if there's a different size, you'll see it down in the description box or on the screen. These ones I really loved also. The amazing thing is that pretty much every single piece that I picked up fit perfectly. They fit like a glove. I'll make sure my measurements are down in the description box as well, so you have that reference if you're going to shop any of these pieces. These were the waffle knit material like the other ones that felt so comfortable on. Now, these ones were a little bit different. I feel like the waffle is slightly thicker than these other pants, and the other ones don't have the belt loops. So they're not exactly the same, even though they both are waffle knit pants. As you can see from the clips on the screen, they fit me like a glove. I really, really loved how high-waisted these ones were. I like the pleated detail that these ones had as well. And this blue color is absolutely gorgeous. So really, really love these ones. Let's go ahead and jump to the next piece. These were the only flare pants that I picked up, and I'm not typically a flare pants kind of girl. I don't know that they actually look that great on me, but I did want to try some just to see, how they looked. And these ones, they gave that very like traditional work pants type of look with the pleats and the cut of the pants and the belt loops, even down to the material. I feel like the waffle knit ones you can absolutely wear to work, but the look gives a little bit more casual because of the waffle knit, in my opinion, than like these ones. All of these have a nice amount of stretch. I can't tell y'all how comfortable these are. Forest green color, gorgeous. It's so, so nice for the fall, but also I feel like is really suitable for office environments. Darker color without you wearing like a full-on black or dark brown. So really, really like these for work. It has the appearance of like a seam or like a zipper there, but there is no zipper. Nice and high-waisted. I love that about all of these. I'm still not crazy about a flare look, but these ones were really nice. So let's move on to the next pair. So this was the last pair of work pants. They're almost exactly the same as the flare pants that we just saw, except that these are straight legs. So I won't talk about these too much. They're super similar down to the material that they're made out of, but they're this really nice warm neutral tone that make them super easy to style. They'll go with pretty much everything. I think the only thing that I noticed here is that they felt slightly short. I did get every pair in the regular length, and these were the only ones that felt a little short. So I'm 5'3". Yeah, I think that's all I have to say about these ones. Super comfortable. Okay, let's move on. Okay, and with that, you guys, we are done trying on the work pants and moving into the skirts that I picked up. I picked up two skirts, and the first one that you'll see me trying on is called the high waisted 2-in-1 Houndstooth plaid mini work skirt. And it's in the color brown houndstooth plaid, a size small, and it is cute. It is so stinking cute, and it's perfect, perfect, perfect for fall styling. I absolutely love this skirt. I'm going to be styling the heck out of this skirt all fall. Do you hear me? I'm ready for it. Okay. Now, when I tried these on, I just left on the leggings. Of course, I would not wear these with those leggings, but if you want to just use your imagination, just pretend that those are tights because I very likely will wear this with tights. I don't know that I would wear it without tights. It's a skirt, so it has shorts underneath, and they're very comfortable shorts too, you guys. They're like a nice workout type of material, so super duper comfortable underneath. Love that with this brown plaid, it really gives that kind of classic, preppy, timeless type of feel as well. So I'm super excited to style this up. Okay, now this is the second skirt that I picked up, and I grabbed this one because it's corduroy. I wanted a corduroy skirt so bad. They had a lot of really nice colors, but this was one that kind of popped out to me. I think it's going to be really, really nice in the fall with the different outfits that I might put together. It is called the high waisted 2-in-1 A-line mini corduroy casual skirt. And I got it in the color icy bamboo green, a size small. It is a little short as well. And I'm not one to lean towards shorter shorts or skirts. So they do have a longer length. So if you are not really too fond of shorter skirts and things like that, they do have a longer length. Unlike the last skirt that I was trying on, does have a zipper in the back. Although honestly, I could have slipped this on and off without the zipper because it has that stretch to it. Color of this was beautiful. I thought it looked really good on me. I liked the way that it was kind of cut. Yeah, I don't think I had any complaints about this skirt at all. Kind of simple, kind of basic. But again, this is going to be a workhorse when it comes to fall style. With that, we are shifting into the tops that I picked up. So the first top is the Softlyzero Plush crossover hem cropped sports top in black in a size small. I do like to have a good stock of just kind of basic neutral tops for layering, really for any season. I just wanted this nice kind of simple black top, but that had a little bit of an extra detail. This top is more of an active wear type of piece. Halara does have a bunch of athleisure activewear. So this you could style in a casual way, but this is primarily for activewear. It's a pretty basic top, so I don't have too much to say about it, but this was definitely a piece that was worth picking up. Moving right along to the piece that I have on right now. This is the Halter Cowl neck backless ruched casual tank top. I got two of these. I got it in this color, which is called New Maroon, and I got it in a brown color as well. It was called Flamewood Brown. So this one stole my heart as soon as I put it on, you guys. The color is absolutely gorgeous with my skin tone. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. I actually like this one better than the brown one, even though I'm very much a neutrals girl. Something about the style with this color just pops to me, and so glad that I picked this one up. It's a really nice kind of stretchy material, the ruching detail on it as well. I think all of that comes together for a very flattering look, especially with the material that it's made out of. So comfortable, so cute. Love that it's a halter. Just loved everything about this one. I think I tried these on with these pants last night and maybe another pair too. So pair really well with trousers and slacks and that type of look. Also, I just think that this top is going to be so versatile and it's going to be the center of a lot of really nice outfits for me this fall as well. And we're just going to switch over to the brown one. I'm pretty sure that the brown one was the last that I tried on last night, but it is the exact same top. It didn't steal my heart in the way this one did. The brown came off a little boring to me, but it's going to be a really nice neutral. It's going to layer really well with some outfits. In the try on clips, you're going to see me wearing it with the Mood Indigo pants, and I did really like that. I liked that combination of the blue and the brown together when I tried this on. So that's probably how I would wear it. Pair it with some of these colors that go really nicely with the chocolate brown that are trending for the fall season. That's how I would wear it. That's the end of this Halara try on haul. I'm very curious to know what you thought of the pieces that I tried on. I personally was very impressed with the items that they sent over to me, especially the work pants. There were a few favorites that I had for sure, but in general, the mix of like comfort and style, the aesthetics of it all, mixed with just like feeling like you're wearing something that's like leisure wear, top tier. Okay, sign me up. Okay, I'm all the way here for it. And I personally would pick up additional pieces from Halara. In fact, there's a few pieces I already have my eye on that I am going to snag. This top was one of my favorites for sure. Just gives very like polished and classy to me. Complements my skin tone so well. I love the style. So this for sure was one of my top picks. These pants that I put back on, these were the Waffle knit wide leg pants. Absolutely loved everything about these ones, from the color to the material to the fit to the style, all of it. These fit right into my current style uniform, so gotta snag some more. The side tie wrap pants, those are so beautiful, you guys. I have so many different outfits and styling options in mind for those, so I cannot wait to style those ones up and show you what I come up with. But yes, those were my favorites. First, let me know down in the comments which piece or which outfits were your favorite from this Halara try-on haul. Also, let me know, have you tried Halara? Would you try Halara in the future if you have not? I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you are interested in shopping any of the pieces that were in this video, I do have a coupon code for you all, so you can get some extra savings if you shop these items. Check down in the description box. I will have all of the direct links to each of these items in the description box. My coupon code will be down in the description box as well, so make sure you check it out if you're going to grab any of these pieces. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.